If your device is disabled or stuck on passcode screen and you don't have access to your device anymore, don't worry, I got you. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to unlock your device and remove disabled screen and get access to your device again. This method will allow you to unlock iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch in seconds with just one click. The tool that I'm gonna show you today is TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. With this tool, you can unlock iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch in seconds, bypass Screen Time Passcode on any device, bypass MDM without data loss, and it supports the latest iOS version. So without any words, let's go ahead and start the process. I'm gonna show you all the steps that you need. So the first thing you will do is go to the official website of TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. As you see, the software will help you to unlock iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch passcode in seconds, remove iCloud activation lock and Apple ID without password, bypass Screen Time Passcode without losing data, bypass and remove MDM Profile with no data loss, and remove iTunes backup encryption without damaging data. If you scroll down here, you will see some of the software features and how to use it. The software can instantly unlock iPhone without passcode from different scenarios, no matter what type of passcodes you are using, such as 4-digit or 6-digit passcode. TunesKit iPhone Passcode Unlocker can easily wipe and remove them in one click. You can use it to completely remove Apple ID from your device without password if you lost your account password. With no need to contact the previous owner, you can use TunesKit iPhone Unlocker to bypass activation lock whenever you bought a second-hand iPhone or iPad. Also, you can quickly unlock iPhone passcode with a disabled screen, broken screen, unresponsive screen, emergency call screen, and more. You can regain full access to your iOS device. Now just go ahead and download the software. The software supports both Windows and macOS. Since I'm using macOS, so I will download macOS version. I've already downloaded it. Once the download finish, go ahead and open it to install the software. Click agree. Now just move TunesKit Unlocker to apps folder. After installing the software, go ahead and open it. And as you can see, this is the software and this is the main interface. It's very easy and simple to use, and I'm gonna quickly explain all the software features. So the first option we have here is Unlock iOS Screen. With this, you can quickly remove screen lock passcode, no matter what types of passcodes you are using, such as 4-digit or 6-digit passcode, custom or alphanumeric code. TunesKit iPhone Unlocker can easily wipe and remove them in one click. With Remove iCloud Activation Lock option, you can bypass activation lock. This is very helpful if you forgot the Apple ID password and your iPhone is stuck in the iCloud activation lock. With Unlock Apple ID option, you can easily remove Apple ID from your device if you forgot your password. It will remove iCloud permanently. With Remove MDM Profile, you can quickly and easily remove MDM without data loss. MDM lock, which also known as mobile device management, is used to supervise and manage iPhone or iPad remotely. If you want to get rid of all restrictions, just try this to bypass MDM and remove MDM profiles without data loss. With Unlock Screen Time Passcode option, you can easily bypass Screen Time Passcode. If you want to disable or delete Screen Time Lock to remove the time limit on iPhone but forgot Screen Time Passcode, TunesKit can help you get rid of screen time without passcode and no data loss. And finally, with the Remove iTunes Backup Encryption option, you can access your encrypted iTunes backup again and remove the encryption. Okay, what I'm gonna show you is how to unlock your iPhone if you forgot the password. Here, as you see, this is my iPhone and I don't remember my passcode, so I'm gonna show you what to do to completely remove the passcode and access the device again. So now let's connect the iPhone to my Mac. Okay, here follow the steps you see in the software to put your device into recovery mode. Once your device is in recovery mode, click next button. Now here it will show you your device info. Here you need to download the firmware of your device. Just click download and the software will download it. I've already downloaded it. It's right here. So I will select it. Click this button here to select the firmware. The software will verify the firmware. Now just go ahead and click unlock to start the unlocking process. Here please read the notes. Please keep your device connected during the whole unlocking process. Using TunesKit iPhone unlocker to remove lock screen passcode will erase all the data on your device. Okay, go ahead and click unlock. Now here it will ask you to confirm. Click yes and just wait for the software to do the job. It will take some time, so keep waiting. I will speed up the video. And boom, unlock completed. The passcode has been completely removed from my device. Now I can access my device again without password. Okay, just follow the steps on your device to set up the device. So let's continue on iPhone, and as you see, right up on the home screen. So this is how to unlock your iPhone if you forgot the passcode or if your device is disabled. Final thoughts. So this is TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. It's a professional iPhone passcode removal software that allows users to unlock any iOS device as well as remove iCloud without entering a password. So, forgot or lost your Apple ID password, Apple ID is locked for security reasons, no worries. You can use TunesKit to completely unlock your iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch without password. It's very easy and simple to use. Make sure to download it from the download link below the video and give it a try. Also make sure to use the discount code. You can find it in the description below this video. So guys, this is our video for today, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more videos, and peace.